Hi everyone. Today I'm talking to you about a garden hose splitter. It's a two-way splitter, and the package says heavy duty. And I tell you, man, this thing is heavy duty. It is solid brass, and the shutoff valves inside, I don't know if you can see that, but they are, looks like stainless steel shutoff valves in there. But this thing is really heavy duty, and this thing will last you a lifetime. The shutoff valves are really tight. They will not leak at all. And like I said, it is really heavy duty. Solid brass. Made by a company called Careful Gardener. And I'll leave all the information where you can purchase this in the description down below. But really good hose splitter. If you want to run two hoses off one faucet, this thing will last you years and years and years, and more than that. But take a look at it, man. Get yourself one. It'll last you a long time. Thanks, guys.